As you might know, today is May 4th, or Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. So let's do some fun Star Wars themed yoga. All right, can you stand in mountain pose, like the strong, sturdy mountains on Tatooine? Good. Now, let's jump out like the Death Star and make a big star with our hands and feet. Good job, everybody. Now, let's bring our hands together with our big lightsaber in front of our body. Ooh. And let's turn our nose and toes to the side and stretch up like a Jedi Warrior with your lightsaber above your head. Great job, everyone. All right, let's bring it down and turn our nose and toes back to center. Let's try that the other way. Turn your nose and toes and stretch up above your head with your big lightsaber. Look at all of our Jedi Warriors. And bring it down. And let's come back to center. Very good. Now let's bring our feet together and shoot off into space just like the Millennium Falcon. Good. Stretch those arms behind you. Excellent. And come back up to standing. And let's bring our hands back to our heart center. And we'll end by saying, May the 4th be with you. Bye, everyone.